In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Shareplay not working in FaceTime on your iPhone. If you've been having trouble getting Shareplay to work, I'll guide you through some solutions that will get you back to sharing and enjoying content together in no time. Let's dive right in. First, it's crucial to check compatibility. Shareplay is a feature that's available only on certain devices. To use Shareplay, your iPhone needs to be running iOS 15.1 or later. Make sure to update your device to the latest iOS version so you're not missing out on this functionality. You can do this by going into the Settings app, selecting General, and then Software Update. If you're not on iOS 15.1 or later, you'll need to update your software to continue. Now let's ensure that Shareplay is actually enabled on your device. To do this, open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on Apps, then FaceTime. Look for the Shareplay option and make sure that it's toggled on. This is a simple step, but it's easy to overlook. Next, let's examine your internet connection, which is vital for Shareplay to work seamlessly. Make sure you and the other participants have a stable internet connection. A Wi-Fi connection is generally preferred over cellular data for a more stable and uninterrupted experience. If your connection is spotty, try moving closer to your router or resetting your modem if necessary. Another thing to check is your screen time settings to ensure that Shareplay isn't restricted. Head over to Settings, select Screen Time, then Content and Privacy Restrictions. Here, you want to confirm that Shareplay isn't limited by any restrictions. If it is, adjust the settings to allow Shareplay to function correctly. It's also important to note that only certain apps support Shareplay. If you're trying to use an app and encountering issues, try a different one that you know works with Shareplay, such as Apple Music or Apple TV. Third-party apps may also support Shareplay, so double check that you're using apps that are compatible. Finally, if none of these steps resolve the issue, as a last resort, you can reset your network settings. Please be aware that this will remove all saved Wi-Fi networks and passwords, so you may need to reconnect and re-enter your passwords. To reset, go to Settings, select General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone, followed by Reset, and finally Reset Network Settings. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix Shareplay not working in FaceTime on your iPhone. I hope this video helps you enjoy seamless content sharing with your friends and family. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.